my name is Luis, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the new Google LG Nexus 5. On the front of the box, you just have your Google logo and the picture of the phone. On the side, just says LG, which is the manufacturer. On the back, Bluetooth right there, and then Nexus. Has the camera and the flash. On this side, it just has LG again. If I slide off the sleeve, it's nothing, just a white plain box. Taking off the front piece of the box off, you are greeted with your Google LG Nexus 5 right there. Under that, you find this blue tab. When you lift the blue tab up, you are greeted with this SIM card ejection tool. Nexus 5 tells you where your ports are and where your buttons are at. Nexus 5 safety and warranty in English. Under that is safety and warranty in Spanish. Under that you have your AC wall adapter. You have your micro USB charging cable and data transfer cable. So that's it for the box. This is everything you get in the box. On the front of the Nexus 5, you can find your earpiece located towards the top. On the left hand side of that, you can find your 1.3 megapixel front facing camera. Towards the right of the Nexus 5, you can find your sensors. From the Nexus 5, you can find your charging port, speaker, and your microphone. Towards the left hand side of the phone, you have your volume rocker, which is made out of ceramic. On the right hand side of the phone, you have your power button, which is also made out of ceramic, and your SIM card slot. Towards the top of the phone, you can find your noise cancelling mic and your 3.5mm headphone jack. On the back of the Nexus 5, you have your LG logo on the bottom, your Nexus, and your 8 megapixel camera with LED flash. The camera records in 1080p and it has OIS integrated into it. OS Android 4.4 KitKat. Screen 4.95 inch. 1920 by 1080. Display 445 pixels per inch. Full HD IPS. Corning Gorilla Glass 3. 1.3 megapixel front facing camera. 8 megapixel rear facing with optical image stabilization. Weight 4.59 ounces or 130 grams. Battery 2300 milliamp battery. Talk time up to 17 hours. Standby time up to 300 hours. Internet time up to 8.5 hours on Wi-Fi. Up to 7 hours on LTE. Has wireless charging built in. It has a built-in speaker, 3.5mm headphone jack connector. It has the latest and greatest Qualcomm Snapdragon 800, clocked at 2.26 gigahertz, and the GPU is a Adreno 330, clocked at 450 megahertz. Inside the box you have Nexus 5, 16 or 32 gigabyte, which is either in white or black, USB syncing charging cable, AC adapter, SIM ejection tool, safety and warranty information, quick start guide. That's it.